Have you ever found yourself struggling to compare two data frames in Pandas, especially when one is massive and the other is tiny? It can be a real headache, right? Well, today, we're going to simplify that process for you. I totally get it. Working with large data sets can be overwhelming, and when you need to merge or compare them, it can feel like you're stuck in quicksand. You're definitely not alone in this struggle. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user named Boris asked, "How can I add a column to my massive data frame based on a smaller one without using slow for loops?" This is a common challenge, and we're here to tackle it together. So what exactly is the issue? Boris has a large data frame with columns A and B, and a smaller data frame with columns G and H. He wants to add a new column C to the first data frame, where the values come from the second data frame based on a condition. Let's break this down. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to do this efficiently, but also learn a few tips to optimize your Pandas operations. To begin, the user should import the necessary libraries. This includes Pandas for data manipulation. They can do this by using the import statement. Next, the user needs to merge the two data frames based on the specified condition. They can use the merge function from Pandas to achieve this efficiently. After merging, the user can create the new column in the first data frame. This column will take values from the second data frame based on the merge. Finally, the user should check the updated first data frame to ensure the new column has been added correctly. They can do this by printing the data frame. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a great tool for data manipulation and analysis, and it keeps getting better. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user involves using the merge function in Pandas. This method allows you to combine two data frames based on matching values in specified columns. In this example, the user demonstrates how to merge two data frames, df1 and df2, based on the name column. The result includes all rows from df2 and adds the special ability from df1, where names match. The user also explains that you can merge on multiple columns. In their example, they merge df1 and df2 using both name and age, ensuring that only matching rows are included. That's all for that response. Let's see what someone else had to say. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using the merge function in Pandas. This method allows you to combine the two data frames based on matching values in specified columns. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by a user involves using the map function in Pandas. They suggest creating a series from the second data frame by setting its index and then mapping it to the first data frame based on the specified condition. Additionally, the user offers another method using the merge function. This approach merges the two data frames on the specified columns, drops the unnecessary column, and renames the remaining column to match the desired output. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach suggested by a user involves using NumPy for a vectorized solution. They recommend using the search sorted function to find the indices where the values of df1.a match df2.g. The user notes that while you could compute IDX using df2.g search sorted df1.a, it may not be more efficient. They emphasize using the .values attribute for better performance. Here's a pro tip. Always check the shape of your data frames before and after merging. This will help you ensure that the operation went smoothly and that you have the expected results. And there you have it. You can now efficiently add a column to your data frame without the hassle of slow loops. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to keep exploring the power of Pandas.